Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got my Boxycharm by Ipsy already. I can't believe it. So this pretty box, I do like it. I like the box. It says Glam Bag, Boxycharm, Icon Box, and Refreshments. So it does say Ipsy, which is what I want to say, but it's really the Boxycharm by Ipsy, okay? I do want to tell you that I am wearing the new lippy that I got, the Hourglass lippy. And it is a lot, to me it's darker than it looks. It's really beautiful. I got this in the Space NK calendar, and it appears darker on my lips than it does here. It's quite dark, but I like it. I still like it. It feels really good on. Just want to tell you all that. All right, let's see what I got, because you know, I know what I got, because Boxycharm, you know what you get. So when you open it, this box sort of collapses, you know, so which is nice for recycling. But it does say Ipsy inside. There's a card inside, or the little booklet, I guess it is. It says Boxycharm, you're the main attraction. That is the theme for December. And they have all kinds of sales going on. They're telling you about that. You can scan this code to learn more about your picks. There's the Power Picks are in here. And, you know, it says shop. Our next drop shop is coming in hot. January 8th is our next drop shop. So October, November, they usually do it every 3 months, but they did it in October instead of November last year, but when it was boxy. Anyway, so it is going to be in January. So you can spend all your Christmas money. So the Power Picks, these were the Power Picks, and I did get a couple of them. Maybe just one. Let's see what I got. Let's see what I got. So what they chose in Boxycharm, I get excited about this, so I forget to tell you. Boxycharm is $28 and $1.99 for the handling. So here's my lovely stuffing. They do, it's 30 bucks. I think it's going up. But at this very moment, I can't tell you. I don't know why I don't know that. I thought I knew it, but I don't. So this is what they chose for me. And this is the Ahava Overnight Skin De-Stressing Cream. So this is 50 ml, 1.7 fluid ounces. It doesn't look very big to me, but I can see that it's completely full. So that's nice to know. I like Ahava products. Most every Ahava product that I've tried is body creams. So this is, I think, the first time I have something that is for my face. This is a $59 value, and it is to use on your face for overnight. It's an overnight cream. So I'm anxious to try it. $59, y'all, for that small of a tube. You know, it's like a half tube to me, but it's still good. Everything is very cold because it was cold outside. And then they chose for me an Il Makiage palette. This is one of the Power Picks. So this is valued at $48, and it is the Color Boss Squad. So they have a line of Color Boss Squad palettes. It's a multi-dimensional eye color quad, and the one that they sent to me is called Game Changer, and I have a palette from them, and it is called, the one I have is called The Shots. So let's see what this looks like. I was worried that it was going to be the same one. I'm glad it is not the same one. So, you know, they're gorgeous to look at. You know, you can see all my junk, all my junk behind the camera. It's you know, mirrored. And then it does say Il Makiage right there. And I forget how you open it. Okay, I think it goes like this. It goes like this. Here comes Camille. Okay, Camille. Oh, wow. Okay, Camille, go on. This is gorgeous. All right, you'll have to move or something. Let me see, let me use the box. So this is considered a full-size palette, and it is. I mean, look at these huge pans. This is beautiful. Beautiful, I love these colors, and I will definitely use them. The other palette that I have, which is very similar in that it's a neutral, is this one, and I do love this. Oops. Let me forget about the mirror. This is the one that I have already. Oh, did I just knock that? Who knows what I just did? Oops, I stuck my... I'm really doing great here. All right, so this one's more of a gold. neutral, a warm neutral, the one that I had, and the one that I just received is more of a cool neutral. So since I stuck my finger in it, I was going to keep it anyway. You know, El Maquillage is nice stuff. Let's just, I'll swatch it at the end, okay, because we've got more to go through. I stuck my nail in it, and I crumbled it on my table. Okay, so those are the 2 power picks that they gave me, that they chose for me, okay? So then we have choice number 1 for me. There was a mascara, a CatLady brand mascara. There was the brand Hyram, a niacinamide, which to me is for skin, oily skin. You can use niacinamide, but I don't use much of it, let's put it that way. There was Persona brand. There were 2 eyeliners. One was brown and one was plum. They were a pencil eyeliner. Those look nice. I have had Persona before. There was Femme, F-E-M-M-E, Elixir Oil, which I think was a perfumey thing. And Purlisse Kale Exfoliator, which looked really nice. But I chose the Ace Beauté brushes. So these are face brushes, and they're valued at $28. They're nicely wrapped. I won't be keeping these for myself, but out of those things that they let me choose from, I thought this would make the nicest gift, possibility of a gift. So they're beautiful. It's just in a plastic bag, and they are wrapped. So I'm not actually touching the brushes. I'm just taking them out so I can, I'm trying to, they got stuck to the plastic. Okay. So I'll leave them that way. See, they are wrapped nicely. But there's some face brushes, and then this one has, it's black and white. That's sort of cool. And the brushes themselves are, the handles, okay. The handles are a beautiful purple. And they do say Ace Beauté on them. I don't know if you can see that. It's stuck in this plastic now, so I'll fix that. But since we're talking, this is December. This is going to be in my Christmas treasure hunt, okay? So write that down. If you can even watch because of all the chaos. Baby girl has had a rough day today. So she has had a very rough day. Okay, so that's a $28 value, and they're beautiful, and I'll get them back in that bag somehow, okay? And next I have choice number 2. Oh my goodness, y'all. Was again that brand Hyram, H-Y-R-A-M. There was a mandelic acid. So if you wanted some skincare, you could have got both of those products, probably use them together. There was a Ciate London Under Eye Perfector, which I wouldn't have chosen, but I have heard from a couple of people that it's a really nice thing. I don't normally like the brand Ciate London very much, but I don't have a lot of experience with them. There was the brand TYS Beauty, a hyaluronic acid. And there was Half Caked brand. There was a palette that was a two pan bronzer palette, and the brand Nip and Fab retinol, and that was a blemish fix. Why they are giving a 60-year-old woman a blemish, this is what I have problems with, and I can't get them to understand to stop doing that. So I chose the brand Dermalect. This is the Flawless Bakuchiol Treatment. So here it is. You all have probably seen Dermalect before. This is $59 value. This says the natural retinol alternative. A sensitive skin photo cream targets the look of fine lines, dullness, and photo aging. So gently smooth on to cheeks, forehead, neck, and chin. So I'm sure it's sealed. I'm not even gonna try to open it up, but you know that it's good stuff. So I haven't had this particular one, but I have had some products by Dermalect before, and it's a nice brand. And choice number 3 for me was MOTD eye brushes. So since I got the face brushes, I didn't get the eye brushes. There was a Half Caked brand 2-color palette in blushes. So again, nice if you wanted to get the blushes and the bronzer. There was Paranova brand Duo Stick Eye, a Duo Stick Eye pencil-y thing. One side was a lighter color, like maybe for a waterline, and the other was a dark liner. There was Element Beauty Dual-Ended Lippy, and that was like it was a lip cream, and then a gloss on the other side, something like that. I almost chose that one. And there also was IGK brand, the hair dry shampoo, and now that was I think that's $38 or something. I almost got that, but I picked that in the points. So they had it in the points area for 1,800 points, and I did get them. No, maybe was that it, or I added them on? I can't remember. No, it wasn't in the points. I added them on. I added them on in my add-ons, which I didn't get any add-ons. Those are coming later. They had this crazy sale. I got an email saying, right now, come on in and see what we got. And they had a bunch of things for $3.50. And you can only get 10. And I got a couple of those IGK hair. I got 3 of them because they were only $3.50. So what I ended up getting in this category was the Dirty Lamb. This is apricot cleansing oil. This stuff is the bomb, man. This is great stuff. This is valued at $42, which makes my whole box valued at $236. And I paid about $30 for this box. Even if it goes up $1 or $2, it's still going to be worth it. So this is, it's a spray. It is sealed right now. I'm going to leave it sealed for right now because I have other things going. But this is a wonderful cleansing oil to take your makeup off. It's wonderful. And Dirty Lamb is a U.S. Brand, and they are made in the U.S. And I have had this before from Goldie Boxed, and it's vegan, cruelty-free, all that wonderful stuff that you want to know about your products. This one is it. So then I also got a couple of items that I did use points for. And sometimes they don't have a lot to pick from. Right now they have a good look. If you haven't gotten anything from, if you have points and they have a new stuff. So go check it out. I did get this little cab palette. It's sealed. It's this was 600 points. This is when they didn't have much going on. And I like them to know that I like makeup to be chosen from the points. So I picked it because of that. So it's just a little tiny palette. It's a nice little carry with you. This would be very nice to carry with you can make a few looks out of this. I like it. There's 2 shimmers and there's 2 mattes. And it's just a little bitty thing. I don't know if I'll actually use it, but I think it's got some good colors in there. And then for 1,800 points, I got, because I don't have anything by NARS, I got a NARS Lippy. I have had something from them before, but I think it was too dark. This I think is too dark for me also. Is Lose Control, but I thought, once again, I want them to know that I like makeup in that area, so I got it. So this is the Air Matte Lip Color, and this is interesting. I think this is the color, so I will not be opening this, but I guess it's going to be a doe foot in there. Look at how interesting that package is. But so I spent some points on something for y'all. So that is what I got. Let's see. Again, points I got. The little cab. These 2 things I got with points. And then my items, which are supposed to be power picks, are the Il Makiage and the Ahava. The Il Makiage, it's gorgeous. You know, it's... Youch. Oh, I was gonna swatch that real quick for you. I'll swatch it in a minute. I got the Dermalect Retinol Bakuchiol, fake retinol. I got the beautiful Ace Beauté brushes. These are, I love those purple handles. And the and then you're standing on my palette, girly. The Dirty Lamb Apricot Oil. And let's swatch this real fast, okay? This was in, what I say, it's Color Boss Squad. And this one is in, it is the Game Changer. And I don't see, oh yeah, I do. Okay, let's see what we got. The big hole that I put in this one, let's see what that one's called. I think it's called Shopaholic. No, let's see, 1, 2. The big hole that I put into the pan is Shopaholic. That's beautiful. And then the one next to it is Entourage. These are beautiful. But I can get them all 4 at one time. So let me do that. 2, 3. Oh, wow. These are dark. Dark and rich. This one is Newsflash. Isn't that gorgeous, y'all? Gorgeous. And then this one is Endgame. And this was a really dark, it's not quite black, but oh my goodness, I'm wearing sleeves. Camille, come on, Livy. Here, I'll put them right here so you can see. See, the color payoff of Il Makiage is incredible. It's a wonderful brand, a wonderful, just look at it, it's just, the pigment is fantastic. And I love the colors. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Camille, what are you doing, girly? So that's what I got, y'all. Thanks for stopping by to see what I got. And y'all, take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.